Once we are quite aware that yes, security is a part of concern and we should be developing some of the security implementation into our organization, where to start? Now there are lots of types of penetration testing that you can see. First of all, we should be aware of what are the benefits of the pen testing. And this was the discussion of just the previous slide, that what can be the benefits of this. Now we should be familiar with all these things, like what can be the benefits for a web application developer. Like if you are developing a website that contains the result and it is not at all secure, I can really say that website is actually a garbage, nothing more than that. If a product is not at all a secure product, how can you rely on all these things? And what can be the benefits for the software developer as well? Now, for example, if you develop a software like, you can say asterisk software or something like that, webinar recording software, and it is being available on the torrent for free, or a cracked version is available easily, or you can get a key from the software just by opening it in a OLEDBG software. Like, now how it can be good for the programmers. So there is need of a team which can make awareness into the software developers so that they can develop more securely. What about the Android developers and iOS developer? Now it's being quite a myth over the internet that iOS is really a secure one or Linux is a secure one. Now I do not call it as a fact. Since the users of Windows were quite large in number, that's why only the virus and all these things are affecting more over the Windows. It's not like that a Linux machine cannot be compromised or a Mac machine cannot be compromised. Yes, these machines can also be compromised, and it happened a lots of time. Lots of time Linux servers were being hacked, shells were being uploaded, Mac were also being hacked, and iOS was also being hacked. So it's not about what can be hacked or cannot be hacked. It's all about how we can protect all these things by updating our knowledge and all these things. So everything that goes on to the internet can be compromised and needs a security perspective. Now let's talk about the most important aspect that you might be watching this webinar for. That is jobs in pen testing.